let's talk about some troublesome words that we can face is like every day. Like, so today we're gonna talk about 3 troublesome words that we're gonna find a lot in every day, which is two, and two. Let's talk about the meaning of all these words first, and then we're gonna go into some exercise, some logic and all. Okay, so first, two. Two. Oh my god, my pen. So first, two here mean a number. Two here mean the number two. So everyone would know this. Um and it helped to remember this word two here helped to remember that this word start with the same spelling as twices and 20, which are also numbers, but two we use it in every day. We use it every day in math, and also everybody would know this. Moving on to two. Two mean this the second two here means the word that would refer to an excess extra, the amount of something that, or it can replace the word also. It's kind of like maybe this girl have a lollipop and the other girl also have a lollipop. So maybe the first girl that had the lollipop say I have a lollipop, and then the second girl would say I have a lollipop too. So it's kind of like both of them have one, so they use two. Of course, we would already know this because we use it in everyday language. And to remember this second word, we would think of this word as the one that has an extra letter to it. Two, extra letter O to it. So if we are referring to something that is extra or something that we are also doing, then we need to use the word with an extra letter. So I'll put like an extra here to remember. Okay, and last one, two. This word is usually either used before noun or before verb, so it is often like a prepositions. This word sets up a person, places, or thing or idea as a direct object, which is something that receives action of a verb. So yeah. So remember this when we use this too, you're gonna use it like before noun or verb, which is set up before like a person, a places, thing, or idea as a direct object, which is something that receives the actions of the verb. Remember that. Okay, use now once we memorize all this unique meaning of each of these words, we should be able to use the logic and the process of eliminations to determine which two or and two. So if you, for example, let's ask us one question. Do I mean to use a number here? Okay, if we do, then we should use the number version too. If not, ask the next questions. Okay, first, if so a lot of people have trouble. A lot of people have trouble finding like what happened. When can we use this, and this? So here's a great way. We're gonna ask ourselves like 3 questions. If the first one is already answered, then we use them. The second one, then we use them. The third one, then we use them. So first, we're gonna ask ourselves, do I mean to use a number here? Do I, you know what? I'm just gonna talk. Do I mean to use a number here? If the answer is yes, then we should use a number version. 2. If not, then we're gonna ask ourselves the next question. The next question would be, do I mean really, in addition, in excess, or also? If we do, if you do, then you should use the version 2. This one. If not, then we should go on to the next questions. The last question, yeah. Is there a noun that follow in the sentences? Is there a noun or verb following in the sentences? If there is, then you should probably need to use the then we should then we probably need to use the word to here. Also, it is easier to eliminate the other two, possibly, so you can just use this one if the other two tests do not work. Because, it is always easier to ask yourself in situation than asking in grammar whether there's a noun or verb, because it can be verbal. An example for two, the number is, I need 2 eggs from this I need 2 eggs for this recipes. Or an example for this. I had too much time on my hands, which is why I got into trouble. Okay, the last example in this sentence is I'm going to the store. The store's a noun, so yeah, we're gonna use to. So thank you for coming and have a great day.